So in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down 3 sneaker buying apps. We're gonna be talking about the GOAT app, StockX, and eBay, which is kind of up and coming still. I'm gonna be breaking down every single one of them, letting you guys know what's my favorite, the shipping times, the experience, all that good stuff for these 3 sneaker buying apps. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. But right now, man, smack the like button. We come to you guys with some good content, help you guys out all 2023 to let you guys know what's the best app to buy your grill sneakers, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video, man. Like I said in the intro, we got to get you guys a little bit something different, you know, break down all 3 apps on the market right now, and I feel like all 3 of them still are quite relevant. It's definitely clutch whenever you want to, you know what I'm saying, scroll on there, check out prices, you know, seeing when you want to actually pull the trigger on some of the things that you missed out on. And today I'm gonna let you guys know what's the best one to rock out with in 2023 in my personal opinion, man. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. We at least got to get 1,000 likes, man. I literally bought 3 grill sneakers for myself, you know, just kind of, you know, come up on here and show you guys what's the best spot to buy your sneakers from. So first and foremost, I want to let you guys know that I bought all 3 sneakers on the same day, December the 18th. And I was tracking to see how fast I would get each sneaker. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the first app, which is StockX. I went on there, I was seeing, you know, what shoes did I miss out on this last year? What grill can I pick up? And I ended up getting something that you guys probably haven't seen. And I didn't see a lot of people talking about it. But like I said, I got these first out of all 3 apps, out of eBay and on GOAT app. The StockX pair came first, arriving December the 22nd, which is only 4 days after me initially purchasing all sneakers on December the 18th. That's super fast shipping, so I got to give my hats off to StockX for that. While we get into the sneaker and unboxing, I want to let you guys know that StockX, you know, it's super easy to check out some of the resale values, and it's super easy for you to follow whatever sneaker you want. Let me show you guys a couple of screenshots, but whatever sneaker you're liking, you want to see, check the market of it, you want to see if it goes up, goes down, you can actually follow the sneaker, and of course you can do bidding on the sneaker, and if your bid does get accepted, then the sneaker is yours. Another cool thing that StockX has is the portfolio. So whatever sneakers you do buy over the years, you can add them to your portfolio on StockX. You can see how much resale the shoe has gained, or you can see how much resale the shoe has lost as well. So you can check it out, see how much money you spent on sneakers, how many shoes you bought, all that good stuff, man. StockX has you covered. I bought all of them on December the 18th. I got this on December the 22nd. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. I'm excited to check them out, and I'm already liking the OG box right here, man. Look at this, bro. So for this one, this is a Nike Air Force 107 pink foam and hyper royal. Of course, I got these in a size 9. I'm rocking out with like 8.5 and a size 9 on my sneakers, so I had to get these beauties because I ain't seen nobody talking about them, so I had to get them. Go ahead and check out the tissue paper right here and pull out the sneaker, and bam, man, check them out. We have the Feel Free Let's Talk, and I don't know if this is like exclusive overseas or something, but I've literally seen nobody on YouTube talking about these beauties right here, man. Check them out. The Feel Free Let's Talk Air Force Ones. You guys can see the hits going all types of crazy on these, and they come with the StockX verified tag right there, and on the tag it says please inspect the item, all claims null and void if the tag is removed. So you want to make sure the sneaker is DS how you bought it. You want to make sure it ain't nothing crazy happening. You want to make sure they authentic as well. If you got somebody that can legit check your sneaker, a grill sneaker that I was eyeing all year, and I finally pulled a trigger, and it's dope that I did it because I can let you guys know how to experience with StockX. I haven't bought a shoe on StockX in a minute, and give you guys all the details as far as me purchasing sneakers on StockX. So yeah, that is it for StockX. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns about them, man, drop them down below, and I'm gonna try my best to answer your question with the best knowledge as possible. All right, guys, next we're gonna be checking out eBay. So eBay was actually the second fastest shipping behind StockX. Like I said, I bought all of them on December the 18th, and these arrived December the 27th. I don't know what took so long. I was actually a little concerned because it took me at least 3 or 4 days just for them to say that, you know, the seller sneaker was authenticated and they sent it out, and I was like, yo, that took a little minute. So I was a little concerned, but I guess it is kind of good that eBay was a little bit thorough. They want to make sure the sneaker was legit. They're not just sending out anything to get the sneaker to the consumer. They want to make sure everything is legit, 100% authentic, and now we have a sneaker right here. Just like StockX, eBay does allow you to bid on sneakers as well, and you can actually communicate with the seller on eBay, which I actually do like a little bit more, because maybe I can work a deal out behind closed doors or something like that. And of course, eBay authenticates the sneaker once the seller does ship the shoe to them. So let's go ahead and get into here. Like I said, it took a little minute, but I finally have them here for the video, which all in all is a plus. So let's go ahead and get in here real quick and then check out the box. So right here you have meet your soulmates. On the other side it says eBay authenticity guarantee. You also have this cool little card in here which you're going to check out. You have authentic without a doubt, and you guys can read this right here, man. Kind of breaks down all of the process of eBay authenticating sneakers. And it's pretty cool. It's letting you know that it's a tag on the sneaker. You can scan it. You can view all the sneakers authentication details. So we're gonna check that out in today's video. This is actually a shoe that I missed out on earlier this year, or maybe even last year. Just had to go back and grab it. This is a women's Air Jordan 3 retro white dark mocha and atmosphere, and I got them in the size 10.5 in women's, which is a size 9 in men. I wanted the mocha joints, but the mochas was going for too much money. I seen the price on these on eBay, and I said, you know what? It's about time I finally add them. And bam, man, check them out. We have the Napolitan, aka the Mocha Air Jordan 3 women's exclusive. These things is tough, bro. Finally, bro. This is my first Mocha Air Jordan in the collection. I don't have the Mocha ones. I don't have the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott's with the Mocha. None of that, man. So these right here definitely were on my grill list, and I finally added them, bro. Look at the pink hits on the back, pink hang tag, but the tag that I was talking about is literally right here. It has eBay on it, and like I said, we're gonna scan it and see exactly what all the details were about this sneaker that eBay went through. Now we're gonna go ahead and check the details about the whole authenticity process. All you got to do is download the Decode app and place your phone on top of this little scanner right here. We're gonna place on top of the little eBay authenticity tag, and then it's gonna pop up with this little notification says website NFC tag. Click that. And this is going to take you to all of the details about the sneaker that you bought from eBay, which is pretty cool. So check that out. This is what it shows. It lets you know exactly what shoes you bought and lets you guys know the date that the sneaker was authenticated. So yeah, guys, pretty cool with the whole tag feature. You can scan it and see, you know, everything about the shoe, the day that it was shipped out, the process of the authentication. The only thing I'm not on eBay is how long it took for me to actually get the sneaker. Almost took, what, 11 days for me to get them. I feel like the wait time solely depends on how fast the seller sends the sneaker in, because you get 2 to 3 business days on all these apps. If they wait to the last business day, of course it's going to take them a little bit longer to authenticate it and to get the sneaker out to the consumer. So yeah, another grill checked off the list. Shouts out to eBay. We got the Air Jordan 3 women's mochas, man. These are so beautiful, and I'm happy to finally add them to the collection. All right, guys, last but definitely not least, one of my go-tos, especially when I lived overseas in Germany. GOAT does deliver sneakers to PO and APO boxes, so it was really clutch for me going back, adding in some of those grills when I was living overseas in Germany. But the only thing I'm gonna say about GOAT today is it took the longest for me to get the shoe. Like I said, I bought the sneaker on December 18th. They didn't get it to December the 29th. And that's the longest it has ever taken for me to get a sneaker from the GOAT app. But like I said, I'm gonna blame the seller for waiting forever to send the sneaker in. I'm not gonna knock these apps too much for getting the sneaker out to me in such a long time frame. Another cool thing about the GOAT app and with StockX and with eBay, of course, you can buy clothing, you can follow sneakers, you can offer whatever amount of money you want for sneakers. It just depends on if the seller accepts your bid. And something else I failed to mention, you can sell sneakers, apparel, and all that stuff on all 3 of these apps I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and get into this one real quick, man. These right here is definitely something I've been following for a while. I done finally caught on to the hype, and you know, I was like, it's time for me to actually get a pair of these in the collection. And if I show you guys the box, you should know exactly what we talking about today, man. So as you can see, we have the Solly Bimbury. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. We got the Crocs, man. We got the Crocs. We finally got them, and it's long overdue that I actually added a pair, man. So let me go and check out the official size tag. Like I said, we got the Crocs. We got a size 9 in men, and you have the whole Crocs logo and everything going around the entire box right here, as you guys can see. And inside the box with GOAT, you know, you get your GOAT sticker right here, as you can see, and you also get the GOAT verified card, where it shows you all of the processes the sneaker goes through to get authenticated. And then checking out the sneaker, here we have it. Here we have it. The Solly Bimbury Crocs, man. I hope I'm saying that right. I might be butchering it, but I just needed to have these in the collection. These joints is tough, man. And like I said, I've been buying sneakers from GOAT app for a little minute now. I definitely trust them. It just never took GOAT this long to send a sneaker out, but these joints right here is tough, bro. Definitely a dope add to the collection. And I got to give my hats off to the GOAT app for supplying these things and guaranteeing that authenticity, man. And something I want to tell you guys about the GOAT app, you can actually buy used sneakers on the app. Just like with eBay, you can buy used sneakers. You can do the same thing on GOAT. So eBay and GOAT have a little bit one up on StockX because they are allowing you to buy used sneakers and sell used sneakers on their apps. So now we have unboxed all 3 sneakers from all 3 of the most known sneaker buying apps, GOAT, eBay, and StockX. And now it's come to the time where you let me know down below in the comment section which one you're gonna rock out with, just knowing all the details that I showed you guys today, with all the shipping times, the whole process, what you get with each sneaker once it arrives to you. And I want you guys to know my personal opinion, what my favorite is still to this day, and it has to be the lovely GOAT app. Now I know it took the longest for me to get the shoe from them, but there's some things that I love about the GOAT app is everything they have to offer. You can buy used sneakers, you can sell used sneakers, and usually and typically GOAT app does ship the shoes out super quick, and they also have instant ship. So if you don't want to wait for the seller to, you know, send the shoes in, they already have sneakers in inventory that you can instantly buy on their app with a feature called instant ship. So you guys let me know what you rocking out with in 2023. I cannot wait to read you guys comments. Subscribe right now if you're new, hit the notification bell, especially if you want to see more content like this, just breaking down all your options, seeing where you can buy some of your girl sneakers from. Like I said, man, I'm still rocking out with GOAT app, bro. I love me some GOAT app. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. You guys know we're on that grind to 100K, and we need to get this video up right here to 1,000 likes. I know we can do it with you guys' support. I appreciate all the support. Thanks again for tuning in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.